Hey everyone, have you heard of a place where actions speak louder than words? A place where every street has a story and every face tells a tale? No? Well, today let's take a trip to such a city, a small town nestled in the heart of Punjab, Gurdaspur. The air here is filled with history and the soil is rich with culture. The people here are kind and true to their word. Today we'll uncover the secrets of this city, the stories hidden behind its quiet charm. Get ready for a journey where every turn reveals something new, something we'll never forget. Welcome to our journey through Gurdaspur, a city rich in history, culture and natural beauty. Let's explore what makes this city so special in Punjab. Now, where is Gurdaspur? Good question. It's right there on the strong shoulders of Punjab, snug against the border, Pakistan on one side and our own Punjab on the other. Just an hour's drive from Amritsar and you arrive at this peaceful place. From here, roads lead everywhere. Delhi, Jalandhar, Pathankot, each towards different stories. And the roads themselves are like an open book, sometimes fields, sometimes a river, sometimes a village, sometimes a city, a new picture at every turn. And in the middle of all this, shy and quiet, sits Gurdaspur, a small city with a big story. Next time you plan a trip to Punjab, make sure to add Gurdaspur to your list. Hey, Gurdaspur isn't some new city, it's been around forever. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the passage of countless generations. Since the beginning of time, this city has been writing its story. Every stone, every street, every corner has a tale to tell, a memory to share. The Mauryas came, the Guptas came, the Mughals came. They all ruled here, leaving their mark. Each dynasty added its own chapter to the grand narrative of Gurdaspur, enriching its heritage and culture. Each tried to paint the city in their own colors, and the city blossomed in every shade. The architecture, the art, the traditions, they all reflect a beautiful amalgamation of influences. During the British Raj, this city became super important. It was a hub of administrative activities and a focal point of colonial power in the region. The people here fought hard for freedom. Brave souls from Gurdaspur stood up against oppression, contributing significantly to the Indian independence movement. This city shed blood in the fight for independence. The sacrifices made here are etched in the annals of history, a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. Even today, walking through its streets, you can feel the echoes of the past. The cobblestone paths, the ancient buildings, they all whisper stories of bygone eras. The old mansions, the temples, the gurudwaras, they all whisper tales of history. Each structure stands as a silent witness to the passage of time, holding within its walls the essence of Gurdaspur's rich past. And hey, Dera Baba Nanak is also in this city. This sacred site attracts pilgrims from all over, adding a spiritual dimension to Gurdaspur's historical landscape. The memories of Guru Nanak Dev Ji are alive here. His teachings, his legacy, they continue to inspire and guide the people, the place where he spent his last days. This city, with its deep historical roots and spiritual significance, remains a beacon of heritage and culture. Punjab and diversity, they go hand in hand. This vibrant state is a melting pot of cultures, traditions and religions, all coexisting in perfect harmony. And Gurdaspur is a living example of this. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city is a testament to the state's rich cultural tapestry. People of all faiths live here together in love and harmony. It's a place where differences are celebrated and unity is cherished. Sikhs, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, all together celebrating each other's festivals, sharing each other's sorrows. The spirit of brotherhood is palpable. Here the bells of the temple and the hymns from the Gurudwara ring out together. It's a symphony of faiths, a melody of mutual respect. And the food, oh my, the food is so delicious. Sarson kasag, a dish made from mustard greens paired with makki ki roti, a type of corn flatbread, lassi, a refreshing yogurt drink, chole bhature, spicy chickpeas with fried bread, and Amritsari kulcha, a stuffed bread that is simply irresistible. What more could you want? The joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, the laughter, the stories, it's all part of the experience. The culture here is infused with the fragrance of Punjab's soil, rich and fertile, nurturing not just crops but also traditions and crafts that have been passed down through generations. The hearts of its people are filled with Punjabi spirit, a zest for life that is evident in their dances, their music and their everyday interactions. Come here and you'll understand what Punjab truly is, what its soul is. It's in the stories shared by the elders, the warmth of the hospitality, the pride in their heritage. So next time you're in Punjab, make sure to pack your bags and head to Gurdaspur. Don't forget to visit Gurdaspur. This city will welcome you with open arms, its streets echoing with the sounds of life and laughter. Its culture will embrace you, wrapping you in a warm hug of traditions and love, making you feel like family. Gurdaspur is not just a place, it's an experience, a feeling, a memory that will stay with you forever. What comes to mind when you think of Punjab? Yes, you got it. Greenery, fields and farmers. The vibrant landscapes, the endless stretches of green and the hard-working farmers are the heart and soul of this region. Punjab is often referred to as the breadbasket of India, and for good reason. The state's agricultural prowess is unmatched, and its fields are a testament to the dedication and resilience of its people. And Gurdaspur is no different. The land here is so fertile, so full of life that you just sow a seed and watch it grow into a golden harvest. The soil, rich and nurturing, supports a variety of crops, making it a farmer's paradise. The process of planting seeds, nurturing them, and watching them transform into bountiful crops is nothing short of magical. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, everything grows here in abundance. The fields are a mosaic of different crops, each contributing to the region's agricultural diversity. The sight of golden wheat swaying in the breeze, lush green rice paddies and tall sugarcane stalks is a visual treat. And fruits? Oh boy, the fruits are so sweet. Quinoa, guava, mango, you name it, you'll find it here. The orchards are brimming with fresh, juicy fruits that are a delight to the senses. The sweet aroma of ripe fruits fills the air, making it impossible to resist taking a bite. Behind all this is the hard work, the dedication of the farmers here. These farmers are the backbone of Gurdaspur's agricultural success. They toil day in and day out, ensuring that the fields are well tended and the crops are healthy. Their commitment to their land and their craft is truly inspiring. Waking up before dawn, working in the fields till late at night, just hoping for a good harvest and prosperity for their families. Their day starts with the first light of dawn and often ends long after the sun has set. The farmers' relentless efforts are driven by the hope of a bountiful harvest and the dream of a better future for their families. So, next time you have a warm roti on your plate, thank the earth, thank the farmer who made it possible for you. Remember the journey of that roti from the fertile fields of Gurdaspur to your dining table. It's a journey of hard work, dedication and love. The next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the farmers who make it all possible. Now, Gurdaspur isn't just about fields and farmers. There are such amazing sights here, such beautiful temples and gurudwaras, that you'll be mesmerized. First, let's talk about Dera Baba Nanak. This is the holy place where Guru Nanak Dev Ji spent the last years of his life. Coming here brings a strange peace to the mind, as if all worries have disappeared. Then there's Ramsar, a wetland. You'll find different types of birds here, especially migratory birds that come from far and wide. It's a paradise for nature lovers. And hey, the natural beauty here, lush green valleys, calm rivers and the vast sky, you'll be lost in its beauty. So, next time you're in Gurdaspur, don't forget to visit these places. You'll truly feel that Punjab is the heart of India. Now let's talk about money, about business. Gurdaspur's economy is based on agriculture. Most of the population here is connected to agriculture in some way, from the fields to the market and from the market to the factories. You'll see agricultural businesses everywhere, but hey, it's not just agriculture here. There are small-scale industries too, making handicrafts, textiles and leather goods. Overall, Gurdaspur's economy is stable, and there's hope for even more growth in the future. So if you're thinking of doing business, Gurdaspur could be a good option. Getting to Gurdaspur is easy. This city is well connected by road and rail. If you want to come by train, Gurdaspur has its own railway station with trains to big cities like Amritsar, Jalandhar and Delhi. And if you want to fly, the nearest airport is Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport, Amritsar, which is only 80 kilometers from Gurdaspur. So pack your bags and head out on a trip to Gurdaspur. Gurdaspur's weather is just like the rest of Punjab, hot in the summer and cold in the winter. Summers here are quite hot, with temperatures reaching 40 degrees Celsius. So if you're coming in summer, bring cotton clothes, sunglasses and a hat. It rains quite a bit during the monsoon, so don't forget your umbrella or raincoat. Winters are quite cold, with temperatures dropping to 4 or 5 degrees Celsius. So if you're coming in winter, bring warm clothes. Overall, Gurdaspur has pleasant weather and you can visit any time of year. Education is the true wealth of life, and the people of Gurdaspur understand this very well. There are many schools and colleges here offering education in different streams: science, commerce, arts. You can choose whatever you want. There are also many technical and vocational institutes here teaching different skills to students so they can succeed in their careers. Overall, the standard of education in Gurdaspur is quite good, and the students here have the potential to achieve great things. So, how was your trip to Gurdaspur? We hope you enjoyed learning about this small city. Gurdaspur is not just a city, it's a feeling, a spirit. Its culture, its people, its quiet charm, everything will captivate you. So next time you're in Punjab, don't forget to visit Gurdaspur. You'll truly realize that Punjab is the land of kind hearts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Gurdaspur. We hope you enjoyed discovering the rich history, cultural diversity, and natural beauty of this unique city in Punjab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.